Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Do you know what is the main problem of rugged phones? Yes, they are big, thick, and heavy to use with one hand. Fortunately, manufacturers listen to customers and try to change the situation. So today we have the first review of the slimmest and most stylish rugged phone. It is called NOMU M6. Let's start with dimensions and thickness of new phone. NOMU M6 comes with 5-inch display, so it is quite compact smartphone. It has dimension of 143.8 by 73.4 mm and thickness of 10.3 mm. Yes, it is pretty thick smartphone, but not for rugged phone. Also, you could notice stylish design. The back panel looks like glass, but this is not glass. The company calls its ready mirror-like cover. Of course, the phone has IP68 rating against water and drops. The manufacturer says that you don't need to use silicone case, because the phone is protected from drops, scratches and other damage. The front panel has 5-inch with HD resolution, 1280 by 720 pixels. Also, it has Corning Gorilla Glass 3. As you can see, the phone has 16 by 9 aspect ratio and quite big bezels around the display. Unfortunately, the rugged phones are still far from new standard with bezel-less displays. As for the hardware, NOMU M6 is powered by MediaTek MTK 6737T processor. It is quad-core chipset with maximum clock speed 1.5 GHz. Also, there is 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal memory. As you can see, NOMU M6 is low-end smartphone, and performance is not the main feature of it. The phone will have about 30,000 points in Antutu. By the way, the internal memory can be expanded via microSD memory cards. The manufacturer is proud of OTG support. It means that you can connect USB flash drive, camera, printer and other USB devices directly to smartphone without computer or laptops. The latest news say that NOMU M6 will have Face ID function. Perhaps it will use front camera for unlocking. However, it is still good, because I don't see fingerprint reader on the back and front panels. By the way, the phone runs on Android 7.0 Nougat out of the box. The battery has a capacity of 3000 mAh. This is not the biggest battery for rugged phone, but it should be enough given the modest processor and screen size. Moreover, the manufacturer promises fast charging support with 5W and 2A. NOMU M6 comes with 8-megapixel rear camera from Sony with f2.0 aperture and 5-megapixel front camera. It is interesting, the front camera has soft light. I'm not sure that cameras can take good pictures, but I count of average results. Waiting for official release of smartphone to see real sample photos. NOMU M6 is already sold on Amazon. The price of phone is 130 euros. I cannot find this phone on AliExpress, Gearbest and other Chinese online stores. Perhaps it is intended only for European market. 130 euros is about $160. I think it is a pretty high price for this smartphone. Yes, it has thin body and stylish design, but hardware is not impressive. Thanks for watching. In the description you can find useful information about smartphone and where to buy it cheaper. Subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.